2, 3, maybe 4. So those all match up to the vent hoods. Things like too much caulk is kind of a slapdash repair. It means they were in a hurry, they didn't put a lot of thought into it, and it's probably not really going to fix the underlying problem. You've seen probably a bunch of times when we look at wooden windows and we kind of poke at them, using caulk to fill in wood rot is not a real repair, and you see that kind of thing all the time. Peeling paint always kind of makes you suspicious because it means they didn't prep the surface underneath of it very well. Stuff, honestly, that's crooked or not fastened to the wall, kind of like those vents we just looked at, there's a million and one things that lead you to suspect that it's a DIYer or somebody that didn't do a good job with the repair or fix. So it's kind of hard to catalog all of them. Like so many things in the inspection business, when you look at it, you just know it doesn't look right. Thanks. The rehearse stuff is hard, so thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.